In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a green card, labourer's card. It's exactly the same for operative's card, online with CSCS. Now, just before we do, what you will need at hand is you will need all your details, so all your email addresses, the address that your card will go to, and you will also need the qualification that you have taken or qualification that you hold, and also your CITB number, which will be on the top of your pass certificate once you've passed your CSCS test. Okay, so you can either go to cscs.uk.com or you can just follow the link in the description. From there, we just need to click on apply for card, apply online, where you'll be taken to this page. Now, because you are registering for a new account, what you'll need to do is create yourself an account by putting your details in. So you would always put an individual. Now, I am applying on behalf of a student or a learner that has just recently completed one of our courses. So for data protection and confidentiality, I will have to blur out all of the information and the details. But all you need to do is just go and create yourself an account here, and these are all mandatory requirements. So you have to put in your first, last name, your date of birth, an email address, and a password. And as you can see, the password must be 8 characters long and contain lower and uppercase and numbers. And once you've done that, you can click to subscribe, and you need to accept the terms and conditions. It's up to you if you want to subscribe to a newsletter. Once you've done that, is just click register. So from here, your name will be shown up, and all the details that you've just added in there will all be down this side here. So what we now need to do is just go back up and click apply for card. And this is where we need to go through the application. So, have you completed a health and safety environment test within the past 2 years? Yes. And also, has it been 24 hours since you've passed? So, if you have just passed, you need to give it at least 24 hours before you can actually apply for your card. And then click continue. Type of card. So, again, if you're applying for an operative's card, it'll be there, or a manager's card, but in this case we're just going for the green labourer card. And scroll down on the same page, and this is where you need to add your qualification. This is the new part that many of you may not be familiar with. Certainly the older generation who maybe have not had the qualifications in the past, you have to actually have your qualification. So to do that, you just click add qualification. Occupation is going to be labourer, and from the drop down menu you have to select the approved qualifications that sit with CITB or the CSCS. So if you haven't got a recognised one, it will not let you go no further forward than this. So in our case, we have done the Highfield Level 1 Health and Safety and Construction Environment. So I just need to scroll down there it is, it's near the top, and then add. Now what it's asking is the certificate number, achievement date, and then I've actually got to upload the file itself. So to do that, I'm just going to go and get the certificate number. So as you can see there, the certificate number. So I'm just going to copy that. I'll move that across so you can see there. So certificate number, you just paste that in there. The date of achievement. The date he achieved this is the 12th of December 2022. So let me go back to the application. So the 12th of December 2022. Now you need to upload the file. So wherever you've got that certificate saved, you also need, even though you're putting the certificate number in, you need to upload the file. Again, if you don't do this, it won't let you go any further forward. So choose the file. This is the learner I am applying for. And then what we'll need to do is scroll down. Have you passed your CITB TB test again within the last 2 years, just to confirm yes. Select operatives, because that was the operatives test you did, and then click add. Qualification successfully added. There we go. So that's the first part there done now. So what we now need to do is put in some other details. So you need to get it verified now. What you'll now need to do is put in your CITB ID number, which will be the long number at the top of your pass certificate you get from your registered CSCS test centre. And in this case, ours is national insurance number. If you want to put your national insurance number in, and postcode. So once you have your test number in, NI number and your postcode, then select validate. Please note the postcode must be the postcode that's going to go, the address that the card is going to go to. So when you get to this pop-up here, just read through it. So you've selected the operatives level health and safety environment test, which you did, so confirm. And there we go. That is it now validated. So that now has recognized your certificate. Once you've done that, just click save and next. And what will happen is your picture will appear here. Now again, of course, for confidential purposes, I am blanking the face out along with the details. So when you've done that, just scroll down. And now what you have to do, has saved some of your information, so your date of birth, your national insurance number, and your email address. You now need to put in the full address that the card is going to go to. Once you've done that, you're going to then scroll down, and you need to then just to confirm everything is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill in the details here, and then once you've filled in all your details, you haven't held a card before if it's the first time, and then what you then need to do is click save and next. So I'm just going to go back up and do that. So as you can see, the address will be coming up here. So yeah, you need to just select the home address, or if you want to have an alternative address delivered to, then you would just select it there. So once you've done that, click save and next. I'm not going to save that. Just close that. So again, all of your details and the picture that you were taking on your CSCS test will be here. Okay, so what you need to do is just double check everything. Make sure it's all good. There's the qualification that you have added and the date achieved. There's your operatives test, so it automatically picks it up. Just scroll down, there's the card delivery address there. Then what we'll now need to do is just accept the terms and conditions. If you want to read them, then just click in and you can read them. Click next, where you're taken to here for payment. So for a labourer's card, green labourer's card, and an operative's card is the same price. It's £36. So all you do is just scroll down and put in your credit card details here. So your card number, the name, expiry date, and the long numbers on the back. You've done that, click make payment, and don't refresh, just let the payment go through. Depending on what bank you are with, it may take you to an extra step. So in my case, it's taken me to, it's going to send me a passcode to your mobile phone. So, and again, this will all depend on what bank you are with. Some banks do this now. So I am going to get this passcode sent. So send passcode. So make sure you've got your mobile phone at hand. There's the passcode coming now. 994407. It's only a one-time password. Confirm. Okay, so that's all done, all paid for, and as you can see there, you can go back to your application. You just log into your account. You can keep an eye on the progress, but normally it takes roughly approximately 3 to 5 working days. So that card will just automatically be sent out to your address that you placed in, and that's it. That's how to apply for your CSCS card.